Hello. SolidCAM is the only CAM partner at Boombastic 2025 event at Titans of CNC headquarters in Dallas on November 12 to 14. As the world's most exciting CNC event by Titans of CNC, SolidCAM takes center stage, powering every live cutting demo across all CNC machine brands on the floor. Titan Gilroy's team will use SolidCAM to program and cut on the following brands: Tornos, Sile, Emco, YCM, Matsura, and Sodic, showcasing the full range of SolidCAM cutting technologies: iMachining 2D and 3D, 3-axis, Simultaneous 5-axis, mill turn, switch type, and wire EDM. Experience the unmatched power of SolidCAM iMachining, delivering incredible cycle time reduction and extended tool life with the only real wizard in the industry, across every CNC brand Titan sponsors and sells. Watch the new CloudNC AI CAM-Assist integration in SolidCAM, automatically programming complex parts with next-generation AI technology. And meet the SolidCAM AI-Assistant Chatbot, your 24/7 expert that knows everything about SolidCAM and answers your questions instantly in any language you choose. The SolidCAM team will be on the event floor, demonstrating SolidCAM software at multiple stations, ready to engage, share insights, and empower CNC machinists from around the world visiting the event. Don't miss it. Boombastic 2025, November 12-14, at Titans of CNC headquarters in Dallas, where SolidCAM, together with Titans of CNC, are bringing the future of CNC manufacturing to life. Thank you.